Hello, welcome to Keto Recipes. Every Tuesday, I'd like to release a video of a recipe that falls into the keto eating plan. Um, I keep telling myself I already did this one, um, or something very like it. Maybe I did make it, I just never got around to making a video of it because this really looks familiar. But looking through my videos, I haven't seen any taco casseroles. Not at least none that I actually named taco casserole. So let's uh, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, and here's all what's in it. Um, Starting off with a pound of ground beef, a half of onion diced, one pepper diced. The link in the description. The site doesn't say what kind of pepper, but the pictures on the site seem to look like a red bell pepper, so that's what I used. Um, the It said you can use a packet of taco seasoning, but the site had a recipe for homemade taco seasoning that I'm using. That's 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a quarter teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of paprika, and half teaspoon of cumin, uh, and a third cup of water, a 10-ounce can of tomatoes with green chilies, uh, a cup of shredded cheddar, 4 eggs, half a cup of milk, half a cup of sour cream, and jalapeno sliced up. Starting off, we preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and now I'm going to brown the ground beef. Talking today has just been talking, but words good. I say sometimes. Okay, the hamburger's browned it up, and I drained and rinsed it, so now I'll add in the onions and pepper. Let's get that mixed in and let that saute for about 5 minutes. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes, so now I'll add in the seasoning and the tomatoes. And then the water. I'll get that mixed up. Okay, got it all mixed up, and I'll let that continue to simmer for another 5 minutes or so. Wow, that smells really good. Anyway, now that it's done cooking, I'll go ahead and transfer it over here to this. It says to use a 11 by 7 dish, but I don't have one that size. Maybe next time I do shopping, I'll pick one up. But I have a 9 by 13 dish. I'm sure that'll work for what I'm using it for. But let me go ahead and take that transferred over. Yeah, that's a good fit. And so now in this bowl, I'll combine the sour cream, the eggs, and then the milk. And then I'll just whisk that until it's smooth. Now that that's all whisked smooth, I'll go ahead and pour that over the top of here. Probably could have got that a little bit better spread it out. And now I'll cover that with cheese. Alright, so now that's covered in cheese, I'm going to put it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And since it says 30 to 35 minutes, I'll set it for 33. Alright, it's done baking now. I'll go ahead and just top it with the jalapenos. I think that's more garnish than anything else, so just artistic flair. So yeah, that's keto taco bake. It really seems really familiar, so maybe I make another video about this. I don't know. But yeah, I'll wait for it to cool down a bit before dishing it up and showing what it looks like on a plate. But yeah, hang on a minute. Okay, and there's the finished product. Feels strange. Anyway, yeah, I didn't get very good equal portions there, but yeah, it makes 6 servings. kind of curious how well it freezes up because it's eggs and cheese and sour cream. But anyway, that's a keto taco casserole. I just keep thinking I've done this already, but I can't seem to find it on my channel if I did do it already. Oh well. Hopefully, if I did do it before, this one's better than it has before. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out blog links in the description, and have a nice day.